BrightLocal SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're reviewing BrightLocal, an all-in-one SEO tool designed to help local businesses improve their local search visibility. Links to the product are included in the description below. BrightLocal is specifically made for small to medium-sized businesses, local SEO agencies, and marketers who need a reliable tool to manage and optimize local search efforts. One of the standout features of BrightLocal is its local rank tracking, which allows users to track their business's ranking on Google in real time across various locations. This feature is essential for businesses that want to monitor their local search performance and make data-driven decisions. BrightLocal also offers citation tracking, which helps businesses manage and track their local directory listings. With this, users can see where they're listed, ensure the accuracy of their business information, and discover new citation opportunities. Another key feature is its review monitoring system. BrightLocal allows businesses to monitor and manage customer reviews across multiple platforms, making it easier to maintain a positive online reputation. Additionally, the platform provides comprehensive reporting tools, enabling users to generate customized reports for clients or internal analysis. As for its strengths, BrightLocal excels in local SEO tracking and reporting. It provides an in-depth view of local rankings, citations, and reviews, which are critical for local businesses looking to improve their presence in search results. The interface is user-friendly, and the tool offers great customer support. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. BrightLocal is priced higher than some other SEO tools, which may be a barrier for smaller businesses with limited budgets. Additionally, while it's fantastic for local SEO, it lacks some advanced features found in broader SEO tools like backlink analysis. Overall, BrightLocal is a solid choice for businesses focusing on local SEO, offering a suite of valuable features to help boost local search rankings, manage citations, and maintain a strong online reputation.